Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Rugged phones became quite popular for the last time. Many people understand that big battery and durability are more important than thin body and sleek design. If you also think so, then VKWorld VK7000 may be a good phone for you. The smartphone will go on sale in a few days, but right now you can pre-order it for a price only $140. In the description you can find links where to buy this phone cheaper. As already said, and you could notice, VKWorld VK7000 is a rugged phone. It is very big, thick and heavy phone. Yes, there is thick bezels around the display, but it has a diagonal of 5.2 inches. So the phone itself has similar dimensions to Blackview P10000 Pro, Ulefone Armor X and others. The phone has a protection against water and drops by IP68 standard. All ports and connectors are hidden by rubber plugs. If we talk about display, it has 5.2-inch diagonal, HD resolution, 1280 by 720 pixels, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The specs are pretty good for budget phone. As for the hardware, VKWorld VK7000 is powered by MediaTek MT6750T processor. This is entry-level chipset with about 50,000 points in Antutu. It is good for everyday tasks, but I'm not sure that you will be able to play latest Android games. Also, there is 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. The phone supports microSD memory cards up to 128 GB. Another interesting feature is latest Android 8.0 Oreo operating system out of the box. I'm not sure that it will receive update to new Android versions, but Oreo is still good. Even the cameras on this budget phone look very good. VKWorld VK7000 comes with 16-megapixel main sensor and 5-megapixel secondary sensor on the back. The front camera has 13-megapixel sensor. We haven't seen real sample photos yet, so we cannot talk about image quality. Another promoted features of VKWorld VK7000 is battery. It has a capacity of 5600 mAh. Also, it supports wireless charging. Moreover, new smartphone comes with a free wireless charger. It is a very big bonus for budget phone. Usually it is sold additionally for about $50. VKWorld VK7000 will go on sale in coming days. Right now you can pre-order it on Banggood, Gearbest or AliExpress. The price starts from $140. So if you are looking for budget rugged phone, then VKWorld VK7000 can be a good option. It comes with IP68 waterproof body, Full HD Plus display, good performance, very promising camera and big battery with free wireless charger. Yes, wireless charger in the package was a big surprise for me. I haven't seen this before. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.